So this post on Facebook, and since marites tayo, we're going to solve this problem. So ang sabi ng problem, Maris and Rico announced their breakup. Many assume that the reason for their breakup is their age gap. If the age gap between Maris and Rico is 25 years, and 4 years from now, Rico's age will be 5 years less than twice Maris' age, how old are Maris and Rico now? So again, we are going to make use of our chart to solve this. So let me just prepare the chart. Gagawin lang natin is have this, and then we are going to have some columns. Let me just prepare the chart, and then other one we're gonna do here, and then last one we're gonna do here. All right, so again, to solve this problem, we need to identify first our person involved. So we're gonna write the person here. So we're going to solve this problem, we need to write first the person, and then we need to identify their current age, and then their age change. All right, so sino-sino ba yung mga tao natin? We have here Rico, so I'll have R, and then Maris for M for Maris. Now, currently, ilan yung edad ni Rico? We don't know that. Yan yung hinahanap sa problem. So, we'll just label this one as Rico. Alright? Now, currently, ilan yung edad ni Maris? Ang sabi sa problem, si Maris daw is, yung gap nila is 25 years old. Meaning to say, yung edad ni Maris will just be yung edad ni Rico minus the gap, which is 25 years. And then, age change, ang sabi, 4 years from now. So, we're gonna do R plus 4. And then, we're gonna do here R minus 25 plus 4. Or this is just equal to R minus 21. Alright? So, from here, this is now our age change. Ang sabi sa problem, 4 years from now, si Rico daw will be what? Will be 5 less than twice the age of Maris. So, meaning to say, Rico's age after 4 years will be twice, 5 less than twice Maris' age. So to write that one, we are going to have Rico, the Rico after 4 years, and then 5 less than twice. So we are going to write twice of Maris as R minus 21 minus 5. So again, that is 5 years less than twice Maris' age. And then we're just going to solve. So this is now R plus 4 equals, this is 2R negative 42. So I'm going to write 2R minus negative 42 minus 5. And then R plus 4 equals 2R. For negative 42 minus 5, this is negative 47. And then we're just going to combine like terms. We will get 4 plus 47 equals 2R minus R. This is 51 equals R. Meaning to say, currently, yung edad ni Rico is 51. What about yung edad ni Maris for now? So yung edad ni Maris again is just equal to yung edad ni Rico minus 25. So this is just 51 minus 25. This gives us 26. Alright? So yung edad ni Maris now is 26 years old. Si Rico will be 51 years old. So we'll try to check if this is really correct. 4 years from now, 51 plus 4, this is 55. And then 26 plus 4, this is 30. So let's try to see, is 55 5 less than twice 30? So 30 by 2, this is actually 60. And we know that 55 is 60 less 5. So ito yung ating sagot.